Hello, good day, you guys. I am back with another job offer. Well, two of them to be exact. The first one is with this company called Etiometry Incorporated, and the job role will be technical support analyst. And the rest of the remote position. This is from $28 an hour, full-time job position. It is these are their qualifications that you'll need for this job to go ahead and get employed with this job. Is U.S. work authorization required, customer service 1 year preferred. And the benefits for this job is dental, health insurance, life insurance, paid time off, paid time parental leave, stock options, and vision insurance, work from home. And this is the company summary. Etiometry is the market leader in predictive analytics for the intensive care unit. Our system leverages real-time patient data to provide clinicians with actionable information that provides care for the most vulnerable patients. In use at some of the best medical institutions across 3 continents, the Etiometry platform has a proven track record in improving patients' outcomes while reducing hospital costs. By joining our company, you will be at the forefront of the clinical innovation, working with a passionate team of engineers with the common mission of changing the delivery of healthcare. You will become an integral part of a dynamic team whose work will directly impact the long-term success of the company and will provide great career development opportunities. Position summary. We are currently seeking a technical support analyst to assist in deploying and supporting Etiometry's software platform. The platform includes applications that perform real-time acquisition and novel visualization of patient psychologic data and clinical databases that support impactful retrospective analysts. Our ideal candidate will have experience in healthcare IT systems, either as an internal application support specialist or as vendor support for a third-party application. This is a fully remote position and no travel is expected, as all support activities can be addressed remotely. There is an expectation of periodically being on call for 24/7 support coverage. Responsibilities for this job is preferred deployment and configuration of Etiometry's platform into hospital environments. Interface with hospital IT staff to determine site-specific platform configurations. Response to and resolve customer support requests. Troubleshooting, diagnosing, and resolving application issues and escalating when appropriate. Administrative responsibilities associated with managing a software-based medical device. Basic qualifications is BS in information systems or related field. Proficient with RHEL-based systems with a strong emphasis on command line tools. Working understanding of web-based applications and SQL databases, working understanding of infrastructure and application security. Demonstrated success in executing plans and procedures for software deployment and support. Able to work collaboratively with a wide range of internal and external stakeholders and technical staff. Desired qualification. Okay, the experience with hospital infrastructure, either internal or as a vendor. Understanding of healthcare, hospital IT, understanding EMR, interface engines, and other information systems. Experience with healthcare specific protocols such as HL7 and FHIR. Understanding of healthcare environment and the challenges of installing and supporting new information technologies in a hospital environment. Now, these are the benefits for this job, being a technical support analyst with Etiometry Incorporated. Is generous benefit package, flexible time off, work from home, incentive stock options, and it's not a part-time, it's a full-time job position, and the pay is $28 per hour. And these are the benefits, once again, the other benefits. And this is an 8-hour shift. Experience is customer service 1 year preferred. It's a remote position, and they're hiring for 1 candidate for this role. So apply, you guys. Jump into it because it will not last long at all. Now, the second job that I have lined up on this video is from F2 on site. And this job role will be help desk end user support. And this is a remote position and starts at $18 per hour to $20 per hour, and it's a full-time job. And the experience that you will need and the skills you'll need is Active Directory and SSO, single sign-on experience. And the qualification for this job is a help desk job, 1 year preferred, Windows 1 year preferred, U.S. work authorization preferred. Now the full job description is here. Remote help desk end user support. They are looking for 7 dedicated level 1 remote technicians to act as support for clients and users. Technicians will receive incoming phone calls, emails, and chats, and self-service tickets from multiple customers. Technicians will handle incidents and service requests. The technicians will use knowledge base and other tools provided to attempt to resolve the customer situation on the first contact. If first contact resolution is not possible, the technician will follow the escalations path for problem to resolution, including follow-up when necessary. Must be a self-starter who enjoys problem solving with little to no direct supervision. Major responsibilities include achieve customer identification and verification of problem through asking problem questions and effective listening skills while using provided processes and or systems. Initiate problem solving, gathering information, evaluating options, and offering solutions. Provide technical support to enterprise end users, standard Windows operating systems, commercial off-the-shelf COTS software, Active Directory, password resets, wired and wireless network support. Use knowledge base and other tools provided to attempt to resolve the customer situation on the first contact. If customer resolution is not possible, technician will follow escalation path for problem resolution. Follow with the caller through multiple channels when scheduled or required for problem resolutions. And they have a plethora of other things that you guys will have to have under your belt for responsibilities for being a help desk and user support with this company called F2 on site. And it's a fully remote position. It's $18 through $20 per hour. Is a full-time job position. You guys can apply there. Hiring 7 candidates for this role, and it just got posted today. So that'll be all for this video, you guys. Have a great, successful day. Remember, the opportunities are knocking. You guys open those positive doors. Keep on sparkling. Keep on shining. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You got this. Let's go. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.